another episode. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Effective communication can solve a lot of problems in our lives. Poor communication can be a recipe of disaster. Let me take you back to our school days. We studied Hindi, science, social science, but we never got the opportunity to learn communication skills. Whatever we learned observing by our parents, our teachers, our neighbors, and we learned all in a very unorganized and unprofessional way. It is an irony that the skill which was required the most was overlooked and ignored completely. It is evident in people from all walks of life. And result is that we have a problem with our bosses, we have a problem with our subordinates, we have a problem with our neighbors. It is said that we are living in the age of information. But in reality, we are living in the age of communication. Our worth is directly proportional to our ability to communicate. It won't be exaggerating to say that our worth depends upon our ability to communicate. The world history is full of glaring examples where good communication brought glory, fortune, and poor communication cost someone his life or his kingdom. Just an inconsiderate statement. अंधे का बेटा अंधा ही तो होता है. The son of a blind man will be blind. Paved the way for Mahabharat, the great battle of Bharat. Our late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked Rakesh Sharma, how does India look from outer space? And he replied, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, the best in the world. Another example, in 1983 World Cup, India scored 183 runs in final, and it was considered a weak total, too weak total to be defended. And in break, Kapil Dev gathered all his teammates around him and he said, we have scored 183 runs and opponent has to score 183 runs. It changed the atmosphere and it uplifted the morale of the team, and Indian team scripted a history. That is the power of communication, that is the power of motivation, that is the power of inspiration. Most of us realize the importance of communication once we finish our professional courses and we start appearing in interviews, or once we start working in a corporate world. Some of us have this misconception that orators, speakers, communicators are born with these qualities. In my opinion, anyone can become a better speaker by a purposeful and systematic practice. You can start reading books every day, 1 hour or 2 hours religiously, and within 2-3 years you will have read many books on variety of subjects, and it will enhance your vocabulary and improve your communication skill, and this skill will cement your position in your organization. And soon you will be known as an expert in your respective field. It will open a plethora of opportunity for you. But reading is the very first step. The second step is listening. You start listening every day. You start writing maybe 15 minutes or half an hour. Once you read, you listen, you write, and the last, you grab the opportunity to speak. If you do these 4 steps, if you follow these 4 steps, you can become a better, effective communicator, speaker. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.